A young virgin carries the symbolic presence of her people's goddess. This is Nigeria's Oshun Oshogbo festival, in worship of the river goddess of Nigeria's Yoruba people. The young girl must carry the calabash into the 400-year-old sacred Oshun grove, affirming the ties between her people and the goddess.
The festival is highly spiritual because of the sacredness of Oshun. So, and the place here, it's also the sacred place. So, because of that sacredness, the spiritual impact is high.
And at shrines dotted across the grove, people come to pray, hoping that their offerings will bring blessings from the goddess.
I want long life, money, because I didn't have. I'm a poor woman, so I didn't have. That is what I'm praying for.
The Yoruba are one of the three main tribes in Nigeria, and despite the rise of Christianity amongst the Yoruba people, belief in ancient gods remains strong. And these beliefs are beginning to influence and mesh with religions like Christianity and Islam.
I was born and brought up in a Muslim home. So, but it's a traditional, cultural activities, whereby if you come down there and you ask for whatever you want, at least they must surely provide it.
People come to the river goddess Osogbo in the hope of being granted fertility and long life, offering her everything from simple prayers to money or chickens.
In some countries, this might be considered a riot. There's fighting, shooting, shouting, and you can hardly move for the thousands of people. But as far as everyone here is concerned, if you're going to celebrate your fertility, you may as well do it loud and you may as well do it proud.
This is not just a festival, but also a spiritual and cultural experience. And its intensity is a reminder of the power of ethnic identity in Nigeria. Many of these people probably think of themselves as Yoruba first and Nigerian second.
Well, the spirit of togetherness, the spirit of oneness, and at least of fulfillment is in everyone. That joy is there in everybody.
And finally, an offering of food is brought by the priesthood and offered to the goddess in the hope of a prosperous year ahead. Christian PUREFOY, CNN, Oshogbo, Nigeria.